Creating transformative medicines such as vaccines, gene therapies, and cell therapies involves packaging drug substances, such as mRNA, into nanoparticles that deliver the drug where it is needed in the body. RNA lipid nanoparticles are used in COVID-19 vaccines and offer a safe and effective means to protect an RNA drug substance and mediate RNA drug delivery into the cytoplasm where it is active. RNA is formulated into lipid nanoparticles by mixing RNA and buffer with lipids in ethanol to initiate self-assembly. Self-assembly requires the coordination of millions of molecules and requires a well-controlled environment that promotes rapid and consistent mixing. This is crucial to ensuring particles meet critical quality attributes that dictate the safety and efficacy of the drug product. Precision Nanosystems NxGen NanoAssemblr mixers employ proprietary microfluidics technology to rapidly bring fluids together in a non-turbulent, exquisitely controlled manner. Mixing rates are faster than particle assembly time, and every particle is manufactured under the same localized conditions. As the fluids mix on first contact, the cationic lipids complex with the negatively charged nucleic acids to form the beginnings of the particle core. The helper lipids aggregate further as they come into contact with the aqueous solution. Finally, the PEG lipids orient themselves on the surface, with hydrophobic tails pointing inwards. This process creates uniform particles and is highly reproducible. For increased volumes, the process can be scaled up using larger NxGen mixers that allow throughput in a single mixer to increase by orders of magnitude while preserving non-turbulent conditions. Additionally, modular production systems operated in parallel allow scale-out using multiple mixing units to meet even higher throughput requirements. The rapid diffusive mixing under non-turbulent conditions allows the molecules to self-assemble in the most efficient and uniform way possible to support high-quality, reproducible formulations. The process maximizes drug loading, particle quality, and the scope of compositions possible with fully scalable results.